Yes, thank you. May I please have the icy berry boost smoothie?
Alrighty, I got that.
All right, thank you. That'll be
That's gonna be
everything.
it for you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, honey, it's gonna be 677 at the window. Okay.
All right, thank you. All right, y'all, let's get into this grocery haul that I have from Walmart. I got a baby Yoda pajama set, some baby Yoda socks. I got 4 stockings. I got some chicken nuggets for the kids for this week. I got some eggs. I got some sprinkles, some push pops for their Santa boxes. Just some more candy, Skittles, Hershey's. I got some cream cheese. I'm gonna make a cheesecake. Got some Tostito pizza, some Hershey's. Um, I got some sour cream. I got some sausage, and tape and some sprinkles. So yeah, this is just a little bit of things that I needed.